In the same chapter, same exercise, question number 9. The sum of n times of two arithmetic progressions are in the ratio 5n plus 4 is to 9n plus 6. Find the ratio of their 18th times. We are given two APs. Sum to n times of the first AP and the sum to n times of the second AP are taken, and their ratio is found to be 5n plus 4 is to 9n plus 6. We are asked to find out the ratio of their 18th times. Now, let us consider the first term of the first series be A and a common difference D. Then sum of the first n terms will be given by Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. That formula you have studied. And let us consider the second AP with the first term capital A and a common difference capital D. Thereby sum of the first n terms can be shown as S dash n. Here it is Sn, here let it be S dash n equals n by 2 into 2a. Here it is small letter a, here it is capital letter A. 2a plus n minus 1. In both cases, number of times is given to be n minus 1 into, here it is capital D instead of small d. Now Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. S dash n is equal to n by 2 into 2a, here it is capital A plus n minus 1 d capital D. Now the ratio between these two sums is given to be 5n plus 4 by 9n plus 6. That is Sn by S dash n is equal to 5n plus 4 by 9n plus 6. Instead of Sn we shall write n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. Instead of S dash n we can write n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. N by 2 and n by 2 got cancelled. That is 2a plus n minus 1d divided by 2a plus n minus 1d is equal to 5n plus 4 divided by 4n 9n plus 6. Now dividing the numerator and denominator of the left hand side by 2, 2a by 2 a, n minus 1 by 2 into d, here 2a by 2 capital A plus n minus 1 by 2 into d. That means we have divided both numerator and denominator of the left hand side by 2. Here it is a plus n minus 1 by 2 d. Here it is capital A plus n minus 1 by 2 capital D. Right side remaining as it is. Now consider the term a plus n minus 1 by 2 d. A plus some d. A plus 5d will be 6th time. A plus 10d will be 11th time. Similarly, a plus n minus 1 by 2d is, in this case, 18th time. How? It is asked in the question, find the ratio of the 18th times. Here a plus 17d must be equal to a 18. A plus 17d must be equal to a 18th time. Therefore we can write, when we consider 18th time, A plus n minus 1 by 2d as 18th time, n minus 1 by 2 must be 17. Why? For getting 18th time, we must add 17 common difference to the first time. Therefore, a plus n minus 1 by 2 must be 70. N minus 1 by 2 is equal to 17. That means n minus 1 is equal to 34, n is equal to 35. N minus 1 by 2 is equal to 17. Cross multiplying n minus 1 is equal to 34, therefore n must be 35. We are asked to find out the ratio. The ratio is given as 5n plus 4 by 9n plus 6. Therefore, for obtaining the correct figure, we need replace n by 35. That is 5 into 35 plus 4 divided by 9 into 35 plus 6. And the answer is 179 by 321. This fraction A35 by capital A35 is equal to 179 by 321. That is 179 is to 3. This is not 35 but it is 18. The 18th time of the first sequence divided by 18th time of the second sequence is equal to 5 into 35 plus 4 divided by 9 into 35 plus 6. And the ratio reduces to 179 is to 321. A18 means 18th time of the first sequence. Capital A18 means 18th time of the second sequence. Right.